So I just came across this channel here on YouTube and saw that they're making $31,000 per month. When I checked them out even further, I saw that they only started YouTube 1 month ago, and that video has over 600,000 views. But it gets even crazier than that because I found another channel that looks super similar, and this one was making $24,000 per month. And again, they only started 1 month ago. At this point, I thought it was just a crazy coincidence, but again, I found another channel. This one is making a bit less, it's $4,500 per month. But what stood out to me with this channel is that they started only 12 days ago, with their top video having almost 800,000 views. So what's going on here? How is it in just a couple of days that these channels can be pumping out hundreds of thousands of views and making tens of thousands of dollars, while I've been grinding on YouTube for a few months now and still have only 500 subscribers? Well, the similarity that I noticed is that they're all faceless YouTube channels. What I mean by this is that it's a channel where you can create content and build an audience without ever actually appearing on camera. Now, I've tried every AI side hustle under the sun, talking about voice agents, chatbots, and even Claude skills. The thing is, none of those have gotten me the returns that these channels are making. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make these faceless YouTube videos using Claude. So the question I started to ask myself is, how can we make these videos with AI? And it really comes down to breaking it into multiple different components and seeing how AI can be used for each of them. The first component is the script. And with the script, I noticed that all of the videos are 5 to 10 minutes long if we look at the timestamp here. And they're all weird questions that you would ask, like what was life like for ancient cats? What happens inside your brain the moment you die? What actually happens at a crow's funeral? This is something we can generate pretty easily using Claude. And we could do that by giving it a bunch of examples with the transcripts and have it create something new. Or the method that I'm going to use is take an existing video and turn it into one of these faceless YouTube videos. The next thing I noticed was the voice, and all the voices for those channels were the same. They were all monotone, they were all males, and they were all American. So it's possible to generate this with a voice agent tool with something like 11 Labs. They have different options here. So you can see James and in English. So totally possible to do this with AI. I heard YouTube is cracking down a little bit on videos that use 11 Labs or generated voice. So if you needed to, you could record it yourself or try to get someone who fits this category to record it for you. Or again, if you're going to use the method that I'm using in this video, you can take a video that already exists, one that has these 3 criteria, and then convert that into a faceless YouTube video. And lastly was the images. All of them are using this cartoonish like stick figure imagery that looks like it was just drawn, and even the text really. So the one I'm going to be creating in this video is what do animals think of humans? We're going to recreate this video with AI that has almost 800,000 views on YouTube in just 12 days. The way we're going to go about this in this video is by taking an existing video, the one that did well. We're going to pull out the audio from that. We're going to turn that into a transcript. From the transcript, we'll create the images that we need for our faceless video. And then we'll put the faceless video images together with the audio to create our own faceless video. If you're making a new video from scratch, you would do that by taking all of the existing video references, extract all the transcripts from them, create a new transcript for your new video, use that to make images and make audio. This would be 11 Labs, and this would be an image model. And then put it together to create a faceless video. So the first step we want to do is go to the video that we want to make a faceless video of. And I'm going to copy that URL and we're going to put it in a YouTube downloader. And the reason we're going to do this is that we can get the video file on our desktop and we can pull out the audio. So just paste it in here and then click download, and you should see it start to download onto your computer. Next, you'll want to open up Claude Code on the desktop app and make sure you're within the folder that you downloaded to. So I downloaded it to a folder called Claude, and now that I'm in this folder, I'm going to run a skill. And this skill is really just going to kick off the entire process for us. I did all the heavy lifting, so you just need to run it. But if you want this skill completely for free, the link is in my description below. So now that we're in the folder, we're just going to run /sw YouTube creator and click enter. It's still running right now, but you can see that it took the file that we downloaded it extracted the audio and it turned it into a transcription. You could see the output of some of that transcription right here, where it has the timestamps and then the text that goes with it. Just pulling it up in the actual file here, we can see the transcript. If I open it, it goes line by line and has the actual time that goes to the sentence that it was said. Also, just want to note that to generate the images, we're going to use this site called Replicate. And Replicate is pretty awesome. It just hosts a ton of different AI models that you can use. It does text generation, video generation, and even image generation as well. And the specific model that we're going to use is this Black Forest Labs Flux 1.1 Pro. It makes pretty good images, not super expensive. It's 4 cents per output image. And if we look at the ratios, we could actually do a 16:9 ratio, which is perfect for YouTube. Now, to use this for ourselves, we're going to want to copy this MCP config. Here's the actual URL for it. And you would just copy this. And in your session, before you start the skill, you just paste this in and it will ask you to put your token. To get your token, all you have to do is go back to Replicate. You click on your user account here, go to API tokens, and you can generate a new one here and just copy it. Once you paste that in, you just go back to here and say, set me up with this, and click enter. We can see that's trying to add the MCP config. We're going to allow that. And here's where you put in the actual API token. And once that's done, that would allow you to actually generate the images. So back over to our session running the faceless YouTube video. I added this option here. So you could do different time intervals. You could do the whole video if we want. I'm going to make the first 30 seconds so we can see as a test run how it goes. So let's choose 30 seconds here. Look back in our folder, it actually created a prompts file. So each timestamp has a prompt with it that's going to be sent over to Replicate to generate the image. Great, we see that it's working amazing. It's sending the images over to Replicate now, all at the same time, and it's going to pull them back down when it's finished. I also want to mention that the skill extracted just the audio file from the video that we wanted to create. That way we can put it back in for our video. We can keep watching here and the images that are downloaded go into this folder and we can see all of them right here. So if we check out the first one, there it is. So pretty good actually. All right, so now it looks like we're on the last step and it wants to combine all of the images together with the audio and create our video. So we will allow that. And in just a few seconds, we should have a completed video. Awesome. So let's take a look at the actual video here.
Have you ever looked into an animal's eyes and wondered what they think of you? Not what they feel, not whether they like you, but what they actually think you are. To a dog, are you family? To a cat, are you staff? To a bird, are you a strange featherless giant? And to a wild animal, are you a threat, a curiosity, or something so confusing that it does not fit into any category at all? The truth is, animals do not see humans the way we see ourselves. We think of ourselves as people with names, jobs, phones.
All right, pretty good, right? That's a legit faceless video. So all we do next is just say run it for the full video. Click enter, and that will do it for the entire over 6 minutes of the video. Now, if you enjoyed the video and you want to learn more about how you can use AI to make money online, then don't forget to subscribe or check out one of these other videos that I have here.